no plan is set in stone. So the island idea is great, but to do it realistically, you're talking at least £250,000 woods, that kind of stuff. You're still relying on a water supply that has been contaminated across the UK and Europe. That's a fact. They did a water test on the rivers and they found that they've all been contaminated. Sterilizing. Anyway, all that kind of stuff, you're still at risk of zombie apocalypse. So the latest plan is boat. Get a boat. Getting lessons is really difficult. The nearest place to give on-board lessons is about 120 miles away, and I'm in the southwest. So it may be a case of going to a marina and just trying to grab somebody, giving them 50 quid to take me out and give me some lessons. Because I've seen a lot of boats in my little hunt lately, some of them free, and they look quite tidy. And even the ones that are priced up, you're talking for a few £1,000s. You can get a boat that is seaworthy with an outboard engine, and it's essentially a floating caravan. Even tying it up for a 9 meter, which is a reasonable sized boat, for a 9 meter one, it's only about 10 quid a week. Even the expensive marinas, it's only £20 a week, which is not very much money to have something that you can get to bug out and bugger off. So that's what I've been spending the past few months doing, is a lot of research on this stuff whilst my leg is getting better. I'm actually able to walk around now without a leg brace, without a leg strap on my kneecap. So that's an improvement. But yeah, that's the latest plan. Rather than bugging out, bugging in, or buggering off, gonna get a boat. Hopefully, trying to, possibly, maybe. Go camping on it.